Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to take a look at two SPACs that are sending public two electric aircraft vehicle companies. Now, the first one I'm looking at is Atlas Crest Investment Corporation. It was down fractionally, down to $11.55. And Atlas is sending Archer Aviation public, and this is an urban electric aircraft company. And their goal is to basically create transportation in sort of large metropolitan areas or megacities. And as you see here in these press releases, that they're committing to launching its urban air mobility network in Los Angeles in 2024 and in Miami in 2024. So that's just 3 years away. Pretty interesting company. Now, the great thing is there's actually two companies. You have Reinvent Technology Partners. There's another SPAC. Now, this SPAC was down over 2%, and they are setting Joby Aviation public, another electric air mobility company, and they're on a timeline to launch in 2024. Now, on the surface, they both pretty much seem like they're the same type of company. Their vehicles have the same sort of capabilities where they're going to have, a range of 150 miles and travel up to 200 miles an hour. So this would be kind of ideal if let's say you're in Los Angeles and you want to get from LAX to the Valley, which would take about an hour or more by car. It'll probably take you, a couple of minutes by these electric jets, and they're clean power, they're electric, so that's another advantage. So those are both good. So it's really hard to say right now which one of these companies would have a clear advantage, since they're both going to launch in 2024. So if you wanted to play on the safe side, you should probably own both of these. But my advice would be, as you see these companies progress, if you see one that started to, let's say, get a contract earlier than the other one, then you may want to weight more of your money on that particular aviation company. So I think at the moment, I would weight both of these at 50-50, both Atlas Crest with Archer Aviation and Reinvent Technology Partners with Joby Aviation. There's nothing that I've seen at this moment that would differentiate any of these companies. Like I said, they're both on a 2024 timeline. I am kind of impressed with Joby Aviation that they have a team of 700 engineers working on their project. Archer really doesn't give you much information about how many people they have working on their projects. However, they both seem to be, like I said, on pretty much a similar timeline. Both of their vehicles seem to be have the same types of capabilities. One thing I did find interesting, they said here, Morgan Stanley estimates that the new electric aircraft market will be $1.5 trillion by 2040. So both of these companies have a chance to become sort of the Uber of mega city air travel. So because of that, I think both of these companies are worth the equal weighting. But like I said, wait to see if one of these companies is able to get more movement when it comes to contracts or getting approvals in certain cities, because then that company is going to have the edge. But like I said, if one of these companies has the potential to be, Atlas Aviation, its market cap is at 700, and Reinvent, the market cap here is at under $1 billion. If one of these companies has the ability by the end of this decade to be a $30 billion company, then obviously just invest in both of them, because one of them is going to hit really big and one of them may absorb the other company anyway. So check out both these companies, very interesting. Atlas Crest Investment, again, they're merging with Archer under symbol ACIC, and Reinvent Technology Partners merging with Joby Aviation under symbol RTP. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot. Bye.